So we've got a few tasks to complete on the van before we got a bit of a big trip planned actually. And this trip was planned before we decided we were going to sell the house and do all that. So we're actually going to Denmark for a week, well, about a week and a half in June, middle of June. So yeah, what we need to do is we're having a bit of a trouble with the mattress on the bed. Probably my fault. Basically I put the mattress on the bed straight out the packet, so it expanded to the size of the bed. And what I found was in the middle area it was kind of still concertinaed because it hadn't had the ability to expand fully, because as you know from campervans the internal space is only 6 foot and the mattress was 6'3". So basically whenever we were getting in and out of bed in the middle there, it was squidging down, it wasn't expanded properly, so I slept on that area and it just wasn't comfortable for me at night. So what we've actually done is taken it out, the mattress, taken it out. It's in the IKEA mattress is like a memory foam mattress, so it's in a zipped cover, and we're just going to hack away at the actual foam inside to create it so that the shape of our van, because it's got the weird shape around the bathroom, is sorted out. And also that it's 6 foot, not 6'3", so it should sit better on the bed and be expanded fully, so I get a comfy night's sleep. So that light switch up there, it's got 2 USB sockets in there, and it can't power my iPhone XS Max, 10X Max. It just kind of can't cope with the power. So I'm going to try just running some temporary cables up there for now. What I take away. Actually it stays in the van all the time, and these are all our charge cables and adapters and things like that. So in here you've got things like the Apple Watch charger, USB-C chargers, extension leads, and then these 3-way heads where you've got micro USB, lightning connector and USB-C, and then ultimately there's this, which is my quick charger. So this is my quick charge 3 connector. It's 45 watts to be able to charge my laptop and the power banks and things like that, but it's also quick charge 3 and to be able to quickly charge my phone. And that's basically what I'm going to have in there, so I can plug it in like that anytime I want. So if I plug my phone cable into there and it comes up, says it's charging, but if you look, it's flashing between charging, not charging, charging, not charging, really fast, so much so that I'm probably going to have to slow this video down so you can see it. Whereas if we take that out of there and put it into the fast charge there and then go back to the phone, look, instantly cracking power. So it now says it's charging, no problem whatsoever. So that's my fast charge all sorted out, and like I say, that just wasn't powerful enough to charge my phone at all. When we get back from Denmark, the plan is then to take out everything at the back of the van and then do it all properly for our full-time adventure, because obviously, unless you don't know, we're selling a house and we're going to live in the van for a year or two full-time, travel Europe, wherever we get to, and then work out what we want to do in life, and work out if that's perfect for us and we'll carry on, or work out if we want to kind of settle down somewhere and you know, wonder where that might be, kind of thing. So yeah, the basic plan of this one is that all this original stuff that was installed with autofail, this is going to come out, because right now it's, you know, the storage is there because they've boxed around the wheel arch, but they have whole length of the wheel arch, so you've got masses of space under there that we can't get to right now. So I'm going to take that out. Obviously it means taking the bed back out again, but that's easy enough to reconstruct afterwards. Take this side out as well, and they've kind of done the same thing there. If you look at the Truma boiler, they've mounted it that way which is just absolutely ridiculous. If you look inside there, they've just not made that much use of all the space that's there. They've just mounted it this way. So again, all this is going to come out. So all we'll really have is the side there, side there, side there and side there, and a big open space, and then recreate everything under there. So that'll give me opportunity to sort the electrics out, so that's better, and sort out the heating and hot water and everything, so that's all nice and sort of compact on that side, so we'll have more storage space under there. And we're probably going to drop the bed down as well. It is a little bit too high right now. Basically these sheets of plastic are put up so that when we've got the mattress in, that happens because our pillows crush it, so we put those up to stop that happening. So what we're really going to do is drop the bed down so the pillows come to the most there. So it's probably dropping it down maybe kind of 4 inches, 3-4 inches, something like that, which should mean then that Cooper can get in the bed easier as well. So a little interjection in this otherwise you know, sort of DIY kind of video. While we're at Camp Quirky, we met loads of people, and during a conversation about the toilet facilities at Camp Quirky, this guy that we met called Phil suggested to using a product to help liquids and solids go down your cassette toilet bowl much easier. He said Rain-X plastic was something that you should apply to the internal bowl surface of your Thetford cassette toilet to help things, yeah, flow better. And I'm thinking, well, yeah, I'm going to try that one, and I'll also try, because it says it's for perspex and all that other stuff as well, I'll put it on the campervan windows as well, so all the dirt and everything shouldn't stick as much to it. So yeah, we'll report back in a little bit about that. But the other thing I was going to say, Phil was quite an interesting character, and no offence Phil if you're watching, Phil does get involved with the van community like no one else I've seen. He runs 2 kind of like groups, campsites, that arrange wild camping meetups. So you can go along in your campervan, motorhome, whatever, and you know, go for these big meetup events like rallies and stuff like that. And also he's got another website where people put in a database of all sorts of stuff related to wild camping. So like Park for Nights on steroids. And I thought, oh, I'll check it out, because I was thinking, I was chatting with Dave at the time, and you know the Chick family are going around in the little Morris Minor traveller that's called Mo, and they're going around the UK for a tenner a day to raise awareness and also to help out a charity called Cat Zero. And I thought, well, if there's this website service that's got all these POIs for wild camping, I'll have a look. And it turns out not only is it wild camping, but you know, it's pub car parks, but it's public toilets, it's places where you can get fresh water and all that kind of stuff from. So I thought that was ideal for the Chick family. Those people who said, oh, I don't see the point of going to Camp Quirky, it's a lot of money. It wasn't about the money, it was about the community. It was about the people that you met there. Anyway, we'll see if Phil's idea about Rain-X is any good as well now. Right, that's Rain-X coated on the toilet. We can only but report back after yeah, a few tries of the loo, and let you know if it's any good or not. But now I'm going to put it on the windows anyway, because I'm pretty sure that's what it's actually meant for. Well, I'm kind of really glad that I did that. I've just washed the van, everything was alright, not noticed any problem. Did that, and I found out that the window's loose. So the window in the side door, if you can look at it, it's not catching properly. So as you can see from there, as you pull the window in, there's a big gap. So if you look there, it's not really meeting the seal. It's only when you pull it in, it meets the seal. So it's a case of undoing these screws, bringing the brackets back all the way along, so more in the middle, maybe like a couple of millimeters or something like that. That should do it. So there we go, I've moved it along around about 2 millimeters. There's no play there at the moment now, and it's nice and squidged up. The seal's nice and squidged up on the window. See, no play there. Seal nice and squidged. So, yep, good job. Fortunately, the mattress outside bit zips off. So that means we can hack away at that. You having fun? So yeah, we can hack away at that. So this is where we normally step over the bed, and this is where the wall comes in, which is the back of our toilet, and it kind of chamfers in, so that's that. And then this is how much it's actually too long for the size of our van. So our van is 6 foot internal space, and this is 6'3". So we're going to cut that off, and what hopefully that'll mean is it doesn't squidge up in the middle. So squidge up in the middle. So what we're going to do obviously afterwards is just zip this back up, and then when we put our sheet over it, we can tuck it all in, and it should all be right nice.
Right nice.
Right nice.
We unrolled this out from the packet from IKEA.
Straight in the van,
and put it straight in the van and let it expand in there, so it's never actually gone
full size,
and stretched
like
out,
me.
So, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I am fully stretched out now. I don't think I could stretch out anymore.
You can stretch out. You need stretching out a little bit more.
Stretch
you
out. Yeah,
gather in the middle.
If I go that way, I won't gather in the middle then. What a great idea. I am vertically challenged, it appears.
You are very small for your height. You are very small for your weight.
I'm very wide for my height.
Very small for your weight.
Yeah, so hopefully anyway with this I shall get a better night's sleep. That's my intention. And Mandy can just listen to me snore more. So now we just need to put this on, which is obviously now going to be too long. But yeah, so the zip's on your side, isn't it now?
There we go.
Cool.
Just don't sit on that bit.
Don't sit on that bit now. So that's that bit done. But bit of an update, we've got a house viewing this coming Bank Holiday Monday. So we're away this Bank Holiday Monday at the Northern Bushcraft camp out, and we're having a corner of their campsite for our own little camp out. So obviously you'll probably see that soon, next couple of weeks or something. And then literally as soon as that's gone by, the next thing we're doing in June is Denmark. So that should be epic. And what I'm trying to go do with Denmark, as well as packing the van like we're living in it, I'm going to pack the van, not told Mandy, but I'm going to pack the van and I'm going to edit and totally work and everything like we're living in the van.
I don't think we've got any. As in, like, not when we're in Denmark.
Yeah.
Because you've got no choice.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So in Denmark, if we do any vlogging, I'll be editing and uploading straight from the van. So it'll be faster. So I would imagine our first Denmark vlog is probably going to come out while we're still in Denmark. I know, it's amazing.
So what you're going to do while I'm
sunning it or something?
So I was going to say, I don't know if it's going to be that sunny actually.
Eating open sandwiches.
Eating open sandwiches and pastries and bacon.
Oh yeah. So there we go. Just a bit of an insight for you.
And me as well.
This is how we make an IKEA mattress fit the weird shapes of our van. And Amanda's got a method for this. It's called the
hacky.
Hacky. Is that Japanese? Oh no! Andy with a knife.